Hi, Ron Thompson with Alfra USA. Today we're going to show you something that is cutting edge, that is about to be introduced to the market here very shortly, within a few weeks. And it's actually the concept that we've been working on for many years and have wanted to bring to market, of a non-electromagnet base on a mag-based drill, with all the advantages and all the problems that that solves with the current magnets. Very briefly, the mag drill that you're using now, as well as the existing Alfra mag drills, really has what's called a deep magnetic field. And that magnetic field loops from your forward magnet back to your back magnet, and it's really very effective on very thick steel. So what you look at as an 1,800 pound adhesion or a 2,400 pound adhesion, that's really effective when you're on 2-inch thick material. But as you get thinner in your materials, your adhesion goes way down, drops way off. And that's why you really can't operate a normal mag drill effectively on material below, we'll say, 3/8. You get down into 1/4 inch, or you've tried to use it on 3/16 or 1/8 inch, you really, you lose your ability to adhere properly and safely. Well, what we've done is we've gone and gotten 4 patents on a new type of magnetic technology that does not relate at all to the electric element of the drill. And this new magnetic technology allows us to put the drill on a surface vertically, overhead, horizontally, and even with the residual magnetism of this new magnetic technology, it stays in place, but you can position it to wherever you need to get on your center line to start your hole. You actually don't start your magnetic activation until you press the lever down. And the real beauty about this lever is that it's in line. It's not at cross purposes with the actual magnet. So you can easily get it into narrower spaces. The other thing is that you know as well as I do that you can, with an electromagnet, you can have that really short out. You really can't have it on for a long period of time. But the other thing is that you can't use it on thin materials. We can take this new magnetic drill and we can actually put it on the side of something as thin as 14 gauge steel. And it will stay there and we can drill a hole. No magnet, and especially no magnetic drill, has ever had that capability before. What you had to do was you had to go to a tungsten carbide hole saw on thin materials or a step drill. But now you'll be able to magnetically adhere to those thin materials and drill your hole even with a mag drill. Huge advantage. The other thing that we've done is we've miniaturized or made much smaller the electronics. In other words, the electronics now, rather than being in a huge motherboard or in a very small area, this is a prototype. On the new one, your switches will be down here. The savings in maintenance of the drill over time with the new magnet and with the new switching and the new circuitry is just almost a problem-free, maintenance-free drill as we envision it. Right now you're taking your drill after about 6,000 cycles in to get your pads replaced, your contacts replaced. You won't have that. You'll have lifetime contacts or lifetime guarantee on the relays here. So we're using a standard motor. We're using the new patented magnetic technology, and other advantages. If you want to store this drill, you just take it out, put it up on your racking, your metal racking. Activate it, it'll stay there all the time. The magnet does not power off. If you unplug it, the magnet doesn't power off. Go to some of our other videos and you will see all of these features, advantages, and benefits explained more fully. So this is the first drill to come out. We will be coming out with an 1.5 inch model first, a 2-inch model, a 3-inch model, and eventually even a 5-inch model. And that's what's coming down the pike, and you will see a lot more about this in the near future.